Module 2. Ways to use a web push advertising channel in your digital marketing. What's in web push traffic for you to actually spend money on it? The main reason why this advertising channel is getting more popular with advertisers is that it's a new advertising channel. I already mentioned that in Module 1. All advertising formats are losing CTRs and becoming more difficult to get the same profitability. In addition to that, people are lazy. Less work with same results seems to be quite attractive, doesn't it? Why push traffic is working so well? It looks that this advertising channel manages to deliver sort of a unique user experience. Attention span of a user today is so short. A user is literally waiting for something that could distract him from boring reality. And a notification, in general, is a message about something new, something that just happened, that's worth to check it out. Of course, I dramatize a little bit, but along this course, we'll get back to this trait of a human psychology when speaking about creatives and campaign optimization. Back to web push ads. Today, users click them a lot. CTRs can be super high. 1% is kinda low. 5–10% CTRs are quite achievable. Though, to keep these numbers consistent, you'll have to constantly produce and update your creatives. We'll speak about it in the next modules.